I want to welcome you back to this training. So this is the 3 of our challenge, and right now I'm very, very excited, and I want to appreciate you guys. I just crossed 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and I'm so happy right now. So I just want to appreciate you for following this process and helping me to grow this, and also documenting my progress as an online entrepreneur here on YouTube. So I appreciate your effort, the subscription, the like, the share. I appreciate everything, and I don't take any for granted. So this shares to more service and more help together, and so we can scale more in the online space for ourselves, right? So with that being said, this is the 3 of our challenge, and I'm going to walk you through what we have to do right here in today's video, right? So let me share my screen so we can proceed with this. All right, so you can see my screen. I just crossed 1,000 subscribers, and I'm very much grateful for this. So if you are new or this is your first time coming across this video or any of my videos, so I want to urge you to come over to my channel and subscribe to Black Kozula Academy for more helpful updates and workflow that's going to help us scale up together in the online space. So you just hit the subscription button like this, and you just turn on the bell notification. So anytime I drop a new video, you can get to notified, and you'll be one of the first set of people that get to access the video, right? So if that being said, guys, let's proceed with what we have to do in today's video, right? What we have to do, in day 2, we talked about our offer and email marketing. So right now, this is day 3, and we are going to do something that is really different, right? So this is called content marketing, and I'm going to walk you through every of these, how you can know what to write, what are people searching for around what you are selling, and what you need to do to get this article ranked so they can get to see it and buy from your link inside your article, right? So the very first thing I usually do is to go over to answerthepublic.com. This is a tool where I can check what people are searching around a particular stuff, so I can know what to write about, and I don't just write trash and put it online expecting results, right? So coming over to Answer the Public, so I'm going to switch the country to USA, which is our top tier country. We now have United States. All right. So, and I'm going to leave it in English. Then I'm going to put in systemy.io first, which is our product that I picked up that I want to sell. So right here, you can see they are gathering the information. So we are waiting for this to come up, and I'm going to show you how to use this, right, and get the information done. So here is the result of our search, and you can see right here, it's just one question around systemy.io, and you can see it right here. What is systemy.io, right? So it's like average search with the color that is showed right here, and you can see like the comparison. So we have like highly searched, we have systemy.io versus go high level. We have this, we have this, we have this. And if I come over to search about email marketing software, we can see we have like 3,600 search volume, and we can see a lot. You can see this is like average search, which is bulk email marketing software. And you can see this one, what are email marketing software? So how can email marketing software help in managing subscriber list? So I fell so much in love with this, and this how email marketing software works. So I can decide to pick one of these. So it's just for me to like identify what I want to work on. You can see this. So this is average searched and highly searched, which I have this. How email marketing software work. So this is like average search. So I'm going to copy this out. So I'm going to select this and copy this out so we can see. So I'm going to pin this down to my word counter. So I'm going to pick some random one. All right, let me take this a little bit down. All right, so I'm going to write this. So I just need 5. I need 5. So 1, 2, I'm going to come back here. And I love this. I love this too. So I'm going to copy this. So you just need 5. So the third one, which I'm going to look out for, which email marketing software is the best, right? So I love this. I love this. All right. I love this too. How to choose email marketing software. So I'm going to put this in my word counter, which is the 5th one. Now, we are good to go and we are done with answer the public. So I'm just going to close all of this tab. So I won't have a bulk tab opened. And right here, the next thing we are going to go over to Cloud AI. So coming over to Cloud AI, we are going to start a new chat, as you can see right here. So we are going to do something really different this morning. So we have our title and we are going to pin it down to Cloud AI, because Cloud AI is a writer and he understands everything that we are going to tell it about how we want our article or how we want our writing, right? So now I'm going to copy this, so this first one. So I want you to write 1,500 words about. So I'm going to put it like that. So you can find this prompt in the description below, so you can use that for your work. So I want you to write 1,500 words about how email marketing software works, and I want you to recommend the name of our product, which is Systemy.io, as the best email marketing software. Email marketing software. So I want this to be catchy, attention grabbing, and also detailed. All right. So once I have it this way, all I can do next is to just say, also add a call to action to try Systemy.io today. All right, so I'm going to send this, and in few sec, this is going to write our article for us. So now we have our article. Ready. So what we are going to do, the platform we are going to use, most of us doesn't have a website, and I want this for everybody. So we are going to use LinkedIn, because LinkedIn has the authority to rank on Google and other search engine. So we are going to use that to put out our article right there, and we are going to use that to make the money we want. So how we are going to do this is going to come over to your linkedin.com. So once you log in your account, or if you don't have an account, just register, easy peasy. And after that, you are going to click from your dashboard to write article. So I'm waiting for this to load up so we can get started. So you can see right here, which is write article. So you are going to click on write article and you are good to go. So once you click on write article, it's going to give us a page where we are going to write article. So then we want to do something. So we are going to come over to pesos.com, Pixels, right? So Pixels.com. So we are going to cite something like email marketing or email software. So once we hit search, we are going to get a picture that we can use. All right, so I love this. So I'm just going to click this and I'm going to download it straight to my computer. And as you can see, it's good right there. So I'm going to come over right here to my article. So I'm going to upload this from my computer. All right, next. So here we go with our picture. And the next thing, we are going to copy our title. We are going to or we can just use our keyword, the most searched. So let's do it this way. We are going to come back here. So here in our title, we are going to put that how does email software works. I guess that's the first one. Yes. So I'm going to tweak this a bit. All right, so we are going to work around this. Then I'm going to put this. We are going to have this our title. You are going to have this at the end. You can see revolutionizing your business, the inner working of email marketing software. So we are good to go. Or we can just remove this. All right, so this is perfect. So now we are going to copy all of our article, everything. So we are going to copy it out. All right, coming over right here and paste. So now we are going to do the formatting, although it's already formatted for us, but I prefer we do some things by ourselves. So we are going to put this to normal, as you can see. So we are going to correct every of this. So you can see all of this is a link. So we are going to replace this with our affiliate link. So that's how this works. So we are going to come over right here, click on this, then this pen, and you apply your affiliate link right here. So now anywhere you see systemi.io, just click on this and replace your affiliate link, right? So I'm going to correct all of this. So after all the replacements, so I'm just going to change this like visit. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to put like this. All right, let me do something different. Click here. Click here now. So I'm going to put that. So I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to add my link right here. So paste, you can see it right there. So this is how you are going to do every of your keywords. So for the second one, we are going to copy this and you are going to put it right here in your Cloud AI or ChatGPT. But I prefer Cloud because Cloud is a writer, so you can just put it right here. You replace it with how email marketing works. Then you are good to go. Once you just try as much as possible to publish like 2 articles a day and for the rest of the week for 7 days, and you are good to go. So this is how you can also make money in 30 days by just writing review about the products that you want to sell to your targeted audience, and you can put it out there. So let's publish this and we call it a day, then I will see you in day 4. So the next right here I'm going to do is to click on next, and it said tell your network. So I'm just going to click on this to paste what I have right here. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to use this, and down below we are going to use a little hashtag email marketing. So I'm going to space it, email software. All right, so the next I'm going to do systemi.io. Systemi.io. So I'm going to use email. I'm going to put this right here. How does email marketing software works? So I'm going to close this. All right, so I'm going to go, then I'm going to just hit publish right here, and as you can see our article is live and we are good to go. So this, you can see, congrats on publishing your latest article on Market Day. So this is how you can get to rank on Google with your article selling this particular product. and you can make so much money for yourself if you are consistent with this and you do this like 5 times a day or 4 times a day for like 14 days, and within the next 30 days we are good to go to make money. So that's all, guys, and I want you to subscribe to this channel. Let's keep growing. Share this video, like this video, and we can do more together over the time. So see you tomorrow for day 4, and I'm going to walk you through another way you can make money in 30 days. Right?